What's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute and I truly apologize for the inconsistency. So, I have a good news for us today. If you had purchased Rail when I asked you guys to, you would have at least secured 60% of your initial capital. So, congratulations if you aped in. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to professionally enter a trade, futures trade. There are two ways to enter a trade. So I'll be showing you guys that today. So make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and stick around to the end of this video. So if you can watch closely, this is my trading view. I made an analysis just right now on when to buy this coin. So the name of this coin is Ondo USDT, and this green and red bar you can see here is a measurement tool that shows me the risk stroke reward ratio. So look keenly. I'm risking $4 to make $77 if I should go on this trade. So what does that mean? I'll show you guys right now. So look at this risk to reward ratio carefully. It would really help in my explanation. 4 to 77. So I wrote down this trade entry and all that. So let me show you guys here. I wrote it down here because most times you can get signals like this. Someone can send you a signal like this and then you'll be like, what's this guy trying to do? What's it telling me to do? So this is what you would see if someone should send you a signal. You get? So let me head over to Bybit immediately. And this is my Bybit. This is my Bybit. So I would simply click on trade, but let me show you guys how I appear to this place. Let me go back to home. This is my demo trading account. So I'll click on trade beneath here, and then I will click on trade here after this chart. So it's already on Ondo USDT, but if it's not, you click on here, and then normally it will be on BTC or any other token that is more solid. You just go ahead and type in Ondo USDT, and then it brings this out for you. So let me go back to that signal. This is the signal. It's saying long or buy. That is, our position is going up. So enter at limit price, also enter at current market price. So let me go back. I would set this market here under this $49,000. I'll set this market to limit, and then I would set the limit price to, what's the price here? 0.9466. 0.9466. That's the limit price. Now this is where it becomes a little bit more trickish, so pay attention. So the first method most persons use to enter trade is leverage. Now what does that mean? Let's say you have $10 you want to trade with, and then you want to make more money. The market can borrow you extra $90 or as much as you want, up to 100x leverage, depending on the pairs anyway. What do I mean by that? Let's say I want to trade with $10 now and I want to make more money from it. What will I do? I would put this leverage now. It's simply saying $10 times any of these numbers you're seeing here. So $10 times 10x leverage is automatically giving me $100. That is, the market giving me extra $90 to trade. So what will I do now? Since my limit price is at 0.9466, that is beneath this place, beneath this current market price, which is 0.9544, I will just click on trade, and then I will do 10x leverage times my $10, which will give me $100. I'll just put 100 USDT here. Now I want you to see the original amount that you're entering this trade with. If you should watch at this quantity cost, the cost here is $10. So that is to show you that just putting $10 of my money, the market is giving me $90 extra. So now, according to this signal, our take profit is at 1.036. So just put it here, 1.036. Now it's promising me an estimated profit of 9.387. I want you guys to observe something keenly. And now my stop loss is at okay, I didn't set stop loss in this signal, so let me do that right now on this live recording. So the stop loss I should set would be around it would be around 0.9311. 0.9311. Now, have you seen? I'm risking one $1.6 to make nine to make $9.3 using leverage. Now I want you guys to pay attention closely. Let me go back to my trading view. I can go ahead and click on this long, and then it would just create order immediately. You get. Now that is for creating or entering a futures trade with leverage. So let me cancel this because I don't want you to trigger, even though it's demo account. So if they ask you to enter at the current market price, you just change this limit to market, and then you put your order value, capital times the leverage, which is 100, and now your take profit is 1.036, and then your stop loss is at 0.9361, I guess so. So as you can see, once I click on this long, the trader has executed immediately. Sure, you can see it here. So let me cancel this. Let me cancel it. Successful. So I want you guys to note something. For the fact that I use leverage, I didn't get this promise of $4 to $77, which is actually where most of us get it wrong, or we got it wrong initially. So after much research and then trying to figure out why forex trading happens to give them more profit than our crypto trades, then I figured this out. So here is saying that I'll be risking $4 to make $77, and then I have to set my stop loss at 0. Is it 0 point? Yeah, I have to set my stop loss at 0.9541. So now this is where position trading comes in place. So let's go back to Bybit. And mind you, this signal said something: risk 10% of your capital. Risk margin, risk 10% of your capital. So let me go back. So what I'll do now is I'll just click on this USDT. This order value. I'll click on USDT. Instead of leaving it on USDT, I'll put it at order by quantity. Now, position trading is what I recommend for beginner traders, people who are just starting out on futures trading. So this is what I recommend for you guys. Start with position trading. Don't enter leverage immediately, because position trading gives you the opportunity to control your risk. We know you want to make more money on crypto, but risk management is very, very much important. I'll still make a video on that very soon. So I've set this order placement preference to order by quantity, not order by value. So I'll click on confirm. What does this mean? I'm willing to risk 10% of $100 portfolio is $10. So I'm willing to risk $10, right? To make to make extra $77. Let me keep it that way. So what will I do? I'll first of all target how many quantity. This requires mass. So if you don't like mass, I don't know how we are going to help you here. So 500 you undo. You just keep putting in figures there for you to see the original costs. So if I should put 500 undo here, that means I'm willing to risk 48 USDT. So let me go ahead and put 1,000, because I want to risk just $100 for this trade. 150, okay, 130, 140, exactly 1,040, I mean. So watch this cost very well. The cost is still showing $100 at the spot. I get. So now our take profit is 1.0361, right? Okay. And then our stop loss is 0.9541. No, 9595. Is it 95? Let me just recheck, please. Apologies for the delay. Is it 95 or be 9341? Okay, it's 9289. 0.9289. Okay. So now I want you guys to also check out something here. Look at something here. Based on this stop loss, now the stop loss is very wide. So instead of using that, I would reduce the stop loss. I'll reduce it. Instead of putting that 0.92, I'll put it at 0.9402. Put it at 0.9402. 0.9402. So I'm practically risking 14. I'm risking $14. I'm risking $14 to make $85. Now, whereas when using leverage, I was risking, is it $3? I be almost $2 to make $9. Now, if you were asked the question which is more profitable, I'm sure you would go for position trading. So that's to show you that position trading is much more profitable and then gives you the avenue to manage your risk effectively. Now, if you can watch now, leverage doesn't even have a say over this. It's you that is giving the order. It's you that is in charge over this place. So let me use the calculator. I'll click on here. Let me click on this place. Where's the calculator? That's the calculator. I want to show you guys how I also calculate my stuff. So I'll click on these three lines here, this horizontal line, and then I'll click on calculator. Now I want you to see something as well. 10x leverage. With the 10x leverage, and then my entry price is at 0.9541, and then close price, that is the price I want to close with, for 361. And then the quantity, I used 1040 quantity. Now calculate. I'll click on calculate. It's showing me that I'm making $85 from this trade. Like, guys, position trading is the best. And then you have to learn this. If you guys don't understand, make sure to tell me in the comment section. I'll still do a detailed video on this. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Peace.